How do you test an ABS sensor on a truck? If you have ever wondered how to test an anti-lock braking system sensor on a truck, you are in the right place. These sensors play a vital role in your vehicle's safety, so knowing how to check them is essential. Let's break down the steps to ensure your ABS sensors are working properly. First, start with a visual inspection. Look at the wiring and connections of the ABS sensor. Check for any signs of damage, corrosion, or wear. You can often do this without removing the wheels, especially forefront sensors located near the inner strut towers. Rear sensors can usually be accessed under the rear seat cushion or in the trunk. Next, disconnect the sensor. Find the ABS sensor you want to test and carefully disconnect its electrical connector from the wiring harness. While doing this, check for any corrosion on the connector, as that can affect performance. Now it is time for a resistance test. Grab a multimeter and measure the resistance across the sensor's terminals. Most ABS sensors should show a resistance reading between 800 and 2000 ohms. If your reading is outside this range, the sensor may be faulty and needs replacement. Following that, perform a voltage test. Set your multimeter to measure alternating current voltage. While the sensor is still disconnected but not removed, manually spin the wheel at a moderate speed, about 1 revolution every 2 seconds. The multimeter should display a fluctuating voltage signal, typically above 200 millivolts. If you do not see a signal, ensure the sensor is properly aligned with the toothed wheel, often referred to as a reluctor or tone wheel. If the voltage test does not pass, check the sensor alignment. Make sure the sensor is seated correctly against the reluctor ring. Misalignment can prevent the sensor from detecting wheel speed accurately. For further testing, consider comparative testing. If possible, swap the suspect sensor with one from another wheel. If the problem moves with the sensor, it confirms that the sensor is faulty. If the issue remains, the problem might lie with the wiring or the ABS module. Lastly, for more detailed diagnostics, use an ABS scan tool. This tool can read any fault code stored in the vehicle's computer, providing specific information about which sensor or part of the ABS system is malfunctioning. Regular testing of ABS sensors is essential for truck maintenance. It ensures safety and helps avoid costly repairs or downtime. By following these steps, you can keep your truck's braking system in top shape.